What's up everyone? Today I am going shopping for my next Frankenstein brewing project. I had an idea, I was inspired on how to make a Everflow. Now this is a project where I hope the result will be that I will have a mead that will flow circular and that will have degas it while it's still in the fermentation basket or in the bucket. Now this project I aim to make a rotator of sorts to put in the fermentation bucket and to be able to have the mead degas as it ferment. So I have never done this before. It is a total cockamania kind of setup, but I'm gonna go shop and see what happens. So we're back. It's Saturday, the day after Black Friday, and I look like shit because, well, Black Friday, it was absolutely horrifying in the mall. Too much people, too much crap. But we are back and I have the stuff I need for my Frankenstein brewery bucket. So let's have a look at what I bought here. So we have the hose connectors, we have bulkhead fittings, we have the hose, we have the pump, the water pump, and we have the air pump. So this is the bucket lid that we're gonna make our Frankenstein system on. As you see, I've made 4 markings. I'm gonna drill holes to put the bulkhead fittings into, and they're gonna look something like this. One on each side, like this. A pump between, and air coming down here. I know this looks a lot, but fair enough. And on this side, place for an airlock. So this will be then inline pumping that will just circulate, and the in will go from here and the out will go that way, and we're supposed to get a circular movement to it. Of course, the brew needs air, so this will be on 24 hours during the first 2 to 3 days, and escaping air will then come up here through the airlock. So I'm gonna start drilling and I'll be back right after.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the drilling is done and the hoses are attached to the inline pump. As you can see, I had to make small adjustments. Right now, you can see this looks like it's a little bit skewed on. Don't worry about that. That's because I can still fix it down under here. Oh, there we go. And the brew will come in here and go through here and in here again. There are room here for air in and the airlock here, or opposite. So the next step is the air pump. I think I'll place it somewhere around here. This is a small bucket, so you know, space-wise, it really isn't all that much, but oh well. This is a Franken monster, so how else would it be except for ugly? The main part is that it will work. And now I have attached the air pump. This is just a normal aquarium pump, AP120, so one of the smallest one. You can buy it on Amazon or eBay, doesn't matter. I will put a link to most of the gear here. Big disclaimer, I do have an Amazon affiliate account, so if you buy through me, I will make a small buck out of it. The only thing that's missing now is an airlock, and that will, when I move this one, go here. And that should pretty much conclude the top side of the Franken monster. So I'm gonna put up the bucket here, and then we're just gonna have a look how this is gonna look at the underside. It's actually very simple. Okay, so bucket is up, lid is on. So what you can see here, this is the air hose coming down. That's gonna go down into the bucket and just lie there on bottom. And I will have the air, one of the hoses, or the hoses, both of them, coming in here, through here, and go down here, that way. Something akin to this. So I'm just gonna have to cut this to the right size so that it sucks up from the bottom, and on the other side here, it's gonna blow in around the middle here, so that we'll get maximum movement out of it. And now I have also attached the hoses on the underside in the bucket, so you can see this on the outside there. That is the out hose, and the one here going all the way down, is the in-hose, and this is made so that we'll get maximum movement in the bucket during fermentation. I really hate the light here, but okay, don't mind the cords going down here. Of course, that's not how it's supposed to be. Just end it that way. All right, so that's what I have today for the building of the Frankenstein bucket. I hope you enjoyed the video. It actually works fantastically well. My next video will be on a basic mead, which I will brew in this bucket. So if you liked my video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and do also hit the bell button so you get notified on my next videos. Have a fantastic brewing ahead.